Why do you go to New Delhi?
Speak again.
Why do you go to New Delhi? To explore Red
I
Fort.
go to New Delhi to explore. See, the conversation has started. Now, these people, the moment you say, why do you go there, you have to tell the purpose. Purpose means कारण. किसी भी काम को करने का कारण. Why do you do something? Right? That is what we are learning today. Now, go back to your seats and start the talking. I'm coming to you, one person at a time. Okay? All right. You two, you two, you two, and you two. Okay, start talking. Rajesh, bring the camera over to them, please, so that the people can know. Start talking. Ankit, sit here, please. Ankit. Are you Ankit? Is it raining? Come here, boy. You come here, Zafar. Why are you taking so much time? Sit here. All right, people. Okay. Please bring the camera focus here. Okay, please start talking.
How often do you use a smart TV?
Smart TV. Very nice. Yes, sir.
I sometimes use a smart TV. TV.
Why do you use it?
I use it for watching movies.
Which movie watch it?
What movies or which movies do you watch?
Which movie do you watch?
I watch the Punjabi movies.
The or the Punjabi.
I watch the Punjabi movies.
Can you tell me some Punjabi movie name? Movie name?
Good questions he's asking. Yeah.
Punjabi movies name like one is Mazel or
Mazel. All right. You can also ask the same questions to him about smart TV. Ask him.
how often
You can say, see this word often. You can say often or often. Both are correct. No problem with that. You can say often also and often as well. No problem. Okay. In American English they say often, but in British English they say often. So you say often. No problem.
how often do you use a car?
A car? I sometimes use a car.
Okay. You can use other frequency adverbs as well. For example, I often use a car. I daily use a car.
I hardly ever use a car.
I hardly ever use a car.
Why do you use it?
Correct.
We go to
I use it or we use it.
use it to go to office.
Very good. Now you're making good sentences. Very good. Keep it up. Keep talking. Why are you not talking? Huh? Talk. Come on. I want you to talk. Yes, please. Yes.
How often do you use washing machine?
I sometimes use a washing machine.
Sorry?
I sometimes use a washing machine
Why do you use it?
because
I use it for.
I use it for cleaning my clothes.
Very good. After for we use ing, which is gerund. Priyanshu has just joined, but he understood. Very good, Priyanshu, and you are all sweating. No problem.
Ask me.
Yes.
You can ask me.
Ask him.
How often do you use a phone?
I use sometimes.
I sometimes use it.
I sometimes use it.
How much you use it?
How much you use it? How do you know how much we use it? Why do you use it?
Why you do is?
Why do you use it?
Why do you use it?
I use it for watching reels or movies.
Very good. More questions. Keep asking questions like that. Very good. All right. Yes, sir.
Right. I question.
How often do you use your smartwatch?
I use smart.
My smart.
I use my smartwatch. Is two step.
To
Step.
watch.
To walk step.
Okay. To count my steps.
To count my step.
Very good.
Yes. So why? So yeah, it's completed now. So how often do you use smart TV? Your smart TV?
I use to my smart TV.
Don't say to. I
I
use
use-
my smart TV too.
I use